Okay, so I thought I'd videotape what it looks like inside my tent with this wind blowing, and if I can hold this steady enough, you'll get to see how things just beat around and move and hit me, and I'm sure you can hear the wind howling away, and man, this is just unbelievable. You know, this tent is good for keeping you dry, but boy, it doesn't do much for wind. And it's full of dirt, and most of the stuff that you see that I stuck up there in my little net things all fell down already, and it's just howling like crazy, and I'm just trying to stay warm and dry. So just thought I'd share this little tidbit. Take care, God bless, and hope the wind dies down.